What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and better than ever on the backyard mini ramp. A few months ago I landed my first Pivot Fakie, and that trick has really haunted me ever since then. Sometimes when you're skateboarding you learn a new trick and you have it. You can do it 100% of the time. No Soul Revert was like that for me. Feeble Fakie was like that for me. Pivot Fakie is not like that. I've landed it since then. You saw me land it in my 2021 recap video, but I haven't really been doing it right. I've been kind of cheating it, not really getting my truck up there right. Coming in fakie, but it doesn't really look good. So today, I'm gonna fix that. Today, nothing but pivot fakies. You're gonna watch me practice it, and I'm gonna get it. Let's get it. Oh! Ah. What? Are you serious? What? What? Yes, dude! Dude! Oh man, that feels so good. Oh. Woo! That feels so good. Like I said, I first landed that trick 3 months ago. I've been absolutely terrible at them since then. Just landed 3 in a row, almost 4. I think it finally clicked for me. Like I said, not every trick does that, but finally, after 3 months, it clicked. So I went back and watched the video of me first learning how to pivot fakie, and I noticed that when I landed it, the one difference was that my right arm stayed straight out the whole time. When I didn't land it, it would turn. So today when I was going for it, that's all I focused on. If I didn't do anything else, I just wanted to keep that right arm straight so I could come back in. It's one of my absolute favorite tricks, so it feels really good to land it. Gonna keep practicing so I can get it down, but like I said, it feels amazing to get this one. See you guys next time.